Welcome back, sports fans. Today, started framing out this closet wall. So that's kind of exciting. Got so this stud here, the first stud of this wall. There was actually like a little bit of space behind it, so I lightly packed it with a little bit of rock wool insulation. We got our one and only full length single stud in this wall. And then we come over to like this guy, Jack and two kings. And then I've got one on the other side there. And I did this a little unconventionally. So like this wall originally was not built as a, like I don't think it's actually load bearing because there's no wall. There was originally a wall here, but in the center of the house, there is no wall. So obviously like the A-frame is able to support itself, but given the fact that that wall was probably been sitting there for 170 years, give or take, I figure it was probably bearing some weight. So this whole time, that's why there's always been like these old studs sitting here. We've kind of like moved them back and forth just to kind of keep some pressure on the ceiling, just to prevent it from sagging at all. But we're almost at the point now where this new wall will be able to take that weight. The only thing that's missing is I want to put in some little cripple studs up in that cavity there. But yeah, a little unconventional. I'll have to cut them so that they're a nice tight fit so that they actually transfer. They actually transfer the load. But I dropped the beam down because this will mark the opening of the closet, and we're gonna hang some barn door, like have some sliding barn doors for the closet, and I just wanted to make it easier on us to attach that and not have to worry about like lining up the fittings with the placement of studs or whatever. And I just figured it'd be nice and strong to just be able to drill into that. And besides it, the wall shouldn't be bearing any weight. But anyway, we'll do what we can. So that's the scoop. Next time I'll put in those cripple studs. There's a couple posts here, and that right there will mark this kind of built-in shelf and drawer situation. So there'll be like a closet opening here and a double-sized closet opening there. And very exciting, coming together.